Welcome in second practical. In this practical, we will create a document to write code for a title page using these commands: \title, \author, \date, and make title, and also practice some font size commands, which are \emphasis, \text bold, and texit, and some more commands. So after doing this practical, you will be able to create this type of title page. You will write here the title of your practicals, then you will write your name, then you will write your department, then you can write the institute and the date here. So after completing this lecture, you will able to create this title page. So this is your second practical. So first of all, I will tell here which commands you will use. So making the title, you will write the title with using these commands. Title page with the commands first, second, third, up to 5. These 5 commands is used to write the title page, and 6 to 8 these commands are used to bold the text, or you will emphasize your some particular word, or you want to change the style of your text. In that case, you will use the texit commands. So first I will tell you how to create the title page. It's my heading. So for creating a title page, author page, this command \title, braces start, braces close, you will write the title of your document. Then second number, you want to write your name, so you will put your name in the command \author, braces start, braces close. In between these two braces you will write your name here. Then there is a date, so \date, and braces start here, so current date will appear, and you will also practice the \today. You can use this command anywhere. I will show you in the maketitle software in interface, where you will run all these commands, and in the last you will write there \maketitle. This is important because for displaying the title of the paper, this command is placed immediately after the begin documents command. So you will write this command in the your Latex software, where you will open a file. So let us first open a file and write all these commands there, and I will compile, and I will show that you will able to generate a title page. First you will open a new file. So I am clicking TechMaker 2 times. It will open the interface. This window is open now. From file I will take a new file. So I am taking new. Then now I will first save it, as I told in the first practical. So this will not compile because I did not save it here. Untitled one name is appearing. So first you will save it. So go to file and save as. You can write it name here. Already I have saved 2 files in this folder. So first you will write practical second. Practical. You can write practical second, or you can take the extension title. I am saving it. So this name is appear here. So first of all, you will write the first practical 3 commands, that is \documentclass, and then begin documents and end documents. Now I add these 3 commands: \documentclass, A4 paper, 12 points and articles, braces. All these three commands we have practiced, in the practical first. In today's practical, I will use this command, title \title. As I told here that I will use this command, \title, braces start, braces close, and then title of the documents. So I am writing this in the Latex software. So I copied it here. This is Control V, title \. I name it as create a document to write code for a title page using Latex. You can write here anything you want as your. Now it is not appearing on the right hand side. The reason for this is I did not write here make title. This line \, make title. I told you this display the title of the paper. Just I have to put this command just after the begin document. So first I will write this make title command here, then it will run here. So write a make title command just after this document, \, make title. So if I compile it, this shows the errors. So I will write this after this. So it will generate the just after writing title, because I did not write the title here, that's why it shows the error. So you should write this after putting the title commands. So I put here title commands, create a document to write code for a title page using Latex. The date is appearing on the right hand side, November 12, 2020. If I want to change the style of this date, I have to use the command \date. Now you want to write the author. For this you will write the author command here. So you will write just author here and the name of the student. Suppose you are Neelam, so you will write here Neelam. I close this. If I compile, the author will appear in between the title and the date. This is just the author. Then you have to put the your institute name and Kurukshetra University, make title. I will write this after telling the font size and font style. Suppose you want to change the date style here, so you will use the date command. You can write here, you can write date, number, NOV just, and dot, comma. Then you will write the date, that is 12, and then I want to write the 2022. So you can write this and now compile it. So this will appear. So if you want to eliminate this date here, so first you will write your make title after the date. Now you can see the changes. Now this date will work here. If this dot is not here, if you don't want to write, you can eliminate it. So this is the date command. You can use the today date also here. So if you want to change this one, so write a comment box line on this, so by pressing this % sign here, and this \ today and braces. You can see your command is November 12, 2022. You can use today command anywhere in your program where you want to print the present date. So you can write this. So this is these are the commands which are very helpful. Simple commands to write the title. Now if you want to change the title styles and all these, you need to study the font style and font sizes. So for this I will first tell the font style and font sizes. The following type style commands are supported by the Latex, which are mentioned in your syllabus of practical second. First is backslash, emphasis, emph, curly bracket close, and in between three dots you will write your text which you want to emphasize. The functioning of emphasis command is, if your font size is italic, it will change it into Roman, and if your font size is Roman, it will automatically change to italic size. Let us practice this. So I am writing here. First I want to change this date. So again I will put a percent sign here, and I want to use the date command to print the date here. So I am writing this first. Now it's my, suppose I am writing here, this is my first document. First, without emphasis, let us watch what our output, and suppose I did not write it here, and this is my curly bracket here. So this is my first document prepared in Latex. I typed it on this date onto November 12. So this will appear on the right hand side. So you can, okay, this is not appearing. The reason being is I wrote this line after end document, and I told in the previous lecture, if we write anything after end document, यानी कि आपका जब practical आपका document आपका complete हो गया, and then you are writing anything, it will not appear on the PDF file. So I am writing this in the environment of begin document and end document to take the output. Now I am compiling it from the quick build sign. It's running. So this is my first document, but this line are appearing on the first page. So for this I will use the clearpage command. So when I use this, my output automatically goes on the second page. You can see in the right hand side. The right hand side is my output for this program. Here I did not mention any style, as I want to write the first in the form of italic, as this is a Roman presentation of my documents. So I am writing a backslash emph. This is syntax, and suppose I am taking first document, both words inside this braces. So it will make it in italic form. So after compilation you can see the differences. You can adjust your window sizes. You can adjust this from here also. Suppose you want to change the percentage, so I am changing it to this much. So this is my first document. You can see the difference in the words. First document is differently printed as compared to this is my prepared in Latex. So the first document in italic form, and this is in my normal font style. So this is the use of emphasis. There are more commands here. First I will tell all the commands here. Then there is backslash text bold, text, textbf bold. So it will bold your text. Bold series will appear. Text RM. So anything you will write in the braces, that will convert into Roman family. If you want to change the italic form, to text it, italic shape will appear. Text SF, this is sans serif family of your text document. Textit, typewriter family. Text IT, italic shapes. I wrote it again here also, here also. This is text SL, it is slanted shape. Text SC, this is small caps shape. Then there is one more command, that is backslash. Text MD, this is medium series. So if you write this word text bold and anything in the braces, that will appear in this form, bold face series. Your text is like this and the out will appear in the bold form. You can practice this in the Latex. I am writing this in your Latex. Suppose I am writing this text bold series. All these here. It's our environment before end document. If I put the words in the next line, it will automatically appear in the next line in the output. Here there is a problem. They all are appearing in a single line. So I want to see the output in the next line. To do this, I will put a double backslash at the end of each line, like this. You can see the differences after running this. I put this double backslash here, so my output will be appear in the next line on the right hand side. You can see. I'm changing the window size here. Similarly, this text bold, if I put 2 lines before this and 2 lines after this, so this will appear in your output automatically. You can see the differences. If you take the 1 line, similarly 1 line. So when you write the program in your copy, so kindly check the differences. If you put 2 line differences, so there will be 2 line space in your output. Again backslash here. Similarly backslash here. Here backslash. Here also backslash. If I compile it, the output is like this. The text B, this gives you bold face series. So I wrote it here. If I write the bold face as it is, it will appear like this. Suppose I am writing this only the bold series. So it is not bolded here. It is a simple series. But if I write the next text bold, this word in the inside the braces of this command, so difference is bold face series. So this word becomes bold here. So this is use of this one. We will use this in my title page now after telling the all these commands. So these are your style, font style commands. Then there is font size command also there. First I tell you what are the font size commands, and then I will use them in my title. So here are some of the font size commands. The first is backslash teeny, and there is a brace here. Then script size, braces, font note size, backslash small, normal size, large, large, here large and here large. This is the difference of only the first alphabet. That is, here is small l and here is a capital L. Here all the alphabets are large, L, A, R, G. These are all are capital, and then there is a hues, H-U-G-E, and capital H-U-G-E. If I wrote this backslash teeny curly bracket, and this text is teeny. If I wrote this in the LaTeX environment, the output for this will appear like this. This text is teeny, very small. I can say here that if my font size, as in the LaTeX document, this is 12 font size, so teeny will reduce it into the 6 font size. Sometimes we need the alphabet should be small. So in that case, we use this command there. I will use it in the title page. Then there is small, capital, small, large, capital, large. So these are your syntax to write the any command, and these are the corresponding output in your LaTeX environment. Okay, let us practice them in the file. So I am writing it here. I am writing only those words which we need in the practical. So you need not to write this sans serif family. Typewriter family is also not required because this is not mentioned. Small cap size, this is also not mentioned. So we will not practice it here. We just practice only these 3 commands. Text bold, text Roman, text italic, text Roman. This is again written, so I am eliminating this one, this also here. So just you write in your practical text bold, braces, bold series. You can write anything in the bold series. The words you will write here, they will appear on the output file. Just I am compiling it. My output becomes this one. If you write the today command here, then this date is appear, so no need to write the today because I already mentioned in the above. So you can eliminate this one. No need to write these lines in your practicals. You can write the emphasis because I have to use this. So this indicate. So when you write your practical file, so you should make italic the words which you will write in the braces. So here I wrote first document, so it becomes italic. You can take only the word first italic, so you can write it outside this brace. So if you write this first under the braces, so only the word first will become italic. You can check your output on the PDF file here. There is 2 spaces, so no need of this, to eliminate this. So these are your some font style commands in your LaTeX which are helpful in your practical second. Now I will use some font sizes command. One of them is teeny. So I already wrote this here, so I will practice this. I told all these in the class, so I am writing it here. Otherwise we will practice this all these commands in the practical 4, where there is font size, font style, and various font available in the LaTeX. In the 4th practical we will do in briefly. So first I am writing the text document in normal size. This gives you 12 font size. Then I wrote the command here \teeny. It will reduce the size of this my outcome. Then I use the small command. Then I use this large. Then only the first alphabet L is large. You can see this command here. This large. If I compile it, the output will be like this. So you can change your output style because I have to write this in our practical. So no need to write this line here. Just write this one. start it from the beginning, no need to write there. So you can write this on the first line of your practical. It will automatically adjust on the center command and all this. No need to this spaces. If you put the 2-line space, the output will also show the 2-line space. You can see here there is a difference. Text is large and then 2 lines here, 2 lines here. So this is not good. So I am eliminating this. If you are putting the space, then no need of these 2 backslash. Suppose you are writing here the 1-line space, it will work the same. Small and large. This is small and this is large. I did not put the backspace line. So in that case, if you are not putting here, so remember in the practical you will put a 1 space of line. Otherwise you will put the 2-line space. Remember this thing. I wrote here texit 2 times, so I will eliminate first line here because it is written 2 times. The Roman family, italic shapes. Now I am writing a normal size document. Then I wrote the, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि suppose मैंने ये लिखा है, तो I am writing this one. This is teeny. You can write this text is in teeny form. This document is in teeny size. So you can write here teeny size, T-I-N-Y. It's you. It's depend on you what you want to write here, to which word you want to make the teeny. So it will appear on the screen output line. So I'm for symmetry I'm putting the 2 backslash and eliminating this difference. As I already told, bold, Roman and this one, so no need to font style here, italic shape and all these. So no need to write all these in the practical. Just write these 4-5 commands here. So your output will becomes like this. The first page is this one. So you will reduce the style here. So it's not appearing Neelam Rani. Suppose this is name of the student. So I want to write the name of the student, its roll number and its semester and its college name and university name. For this I need of these font size and font styles. For this I will go to the author and write these lines. You can directly put it here. Suppose there is an author here and you want to make this bold size. So you can use your command bold here. I told you that this is T-E-X-T, textbf bold and braces. If you start the braces, you should close the brace. Here is the Neelam Rani simple Roman word, but if I put this command here, it will give the output like this, bold form. This is Neelam. If I want to make this large, so you will put this command again in the environment of backslash large. So I am first eliminating this. Here is backslash. If you write here large, L-A-R-G-E, only the large, and then you are putting the text bold Neelam Rani. I put the braces here. You will put this brace here. It will work better. So this large is not so good. I want to take capital L. So if I put capital L is here, it will change the size some more. Suppose there is 12, so this will become 14. Suppose I want to change more large size, so I will use every alphabet L-A-R-G-E command. So you can see the changes. Now the Neelam Rani becomes more large size. Suppose you want to write the roll number of the student and you want to write this line in the new line, so you will put the new line character here. Then you can write small, because teeny will becomes very small, so I am not writing it here. Suppose you want to write the section of the student. So suppose this is a PCM student, so you will write PCM, then you will write the roll number of the student, series of roll number student 200. Suppose this is 425 roll number. Okay, so this is not semicolon here, this is error. If I compile it, it will gives me error. So here will be small SMALL. So this shows me the error because small SMALL, small PCM, and again this to new line. I'm writing the full command here. One is command this 2 and this is of 3 author. Sorry, this is small PCM, and new line character is this here. And again I have combined this, so it shows the error. The reason being is I started the author here, and this author should I write the here third braces. I eliminate this and I put it here. Again it's showing me the error. The reason being I put this line here. If I now compile, it will work. This one. So now I want to change the institute name here. So I am copying institute. For before this I want to write the semester of the student. This all thing I am writing in the command author. So it is started here, so it should end it at the end. So I will write everything inside this braces. Last brace is this one, closing, and this is beginning. I will write everything inside this environment. So I am writing the new line here. I am putting it here. I am writing the small here. Then braces here. This is the dollar sign. I will show it to you. This is dollar sign. Dollar means the mathematical term if you are using and you are writing the power of any word, so this will be put in the form of this one. This dollar sign here and this dollar sign here. Inside this dollar sign you will write the fifth TH and this bracket curly, and inside this TH. This will become the power of this fifth semester. Okay. Then I am writing again the new line character. Then Institute of Integral Honor Studies. If you want to write the Kurukshetra University Kurukshetra, so you will compile it. It will shows error because I put two braces here. So there should be a single brace. Again it's showing error. The reason being I put the lines here. So no need to write these lines here. Again compile. It shows you the output. The output for this is, it is optional because we just want to practice the today command here. So this title program create a document to write code for a title page latex. If you write the bold text here, suppose you write this bold here, so Control C. If you want to bold it here, so you should write bold and inside braces it automatically bold your title of your title page. You can see the differences here, but it's not good for me because I want to just name the bold as my name itself. So I am eliminating this. In future you will practice the colors also, and for this you have to use a package. We will practice in the 5th practical. So here we just write the title command for title of the your document, then the name of the student, that is Neelam Rani here, then your branch, that is PCM, then your semester, your college name and university, and your date you are presenting this title page. Okay, you can create your title page of your practical file also in future. And here I need some command here, teeny and Roman or all this. Suppose you want to change your PCM as italic form. So if you want to make it italic, or you can say you want to change the name of your college in italic form, so you will use here command text italic. Anything you will write inside the braces, that becomes in italic form. Suppose you are writing this one, and here is your curly bracket. This, it shows that your institute name becomes italic. If you want to write the space here, suppose for this you will write the 2 lines here. It will show the error because I already wrote the 2 new line character, so it will not work here. You can take the spaces. I think it's not work here, it's work here. Then their date. If you want to write the semester this and space here, so you will write here 2 line space. It will it shows there is error, it's not working. So eliminate all these. Here we practice only a simple title. Okay, after practicing 4th practical, 5th practical, we are able to write a beautiful title page for our article. So it's your practical. In your practical file you will write this comments lines. I'm showing you the output. You can take the screenshot for this, and if these lectures are good for you, to please mention in the comment box and demand for the next practical. I will prepare those practicals. So take this title page in the beginning. You can adjust your width of your window. Put it here, Latex, and this one is here. So it's your output on the right hand side. This is your input. So author large, this one small. You can write it on the leftmost corner. Then clear page and date, Kurukshetra, all these. So that's your complete second practical. You can write this as it is in your practical, and this is your output. The first your screenshot is your first page, and in second page we practice your some commands. The commands I wrote on the left hand side. This is text bold series. The output of this command is here on the right hand side. This is text bold series. Roman family, this is Roman family here. I put a double backslash so the output appears on the next line. So this is your second practical. Thank you.